Welcome to this quick guide. In the next 2 minutes, I'll walk you through how to find the provider listing by Dr. Patterson Audiology, a trusted source designed to connect people with professional hearing care services. Dr. Patterson Audiology created the provider listing to simplify access to reliable care. Instead of searching endlessly across different websites, this resource brings together the providers you need in one organised place. Here's how to get started. First, visit the Dr. Patterson Audiology website. Once you're on the homepage, look at the navigation menu. You'll see an option clearly labelled Provider Listing. Tap on it and you'll be directed straight to the section where all the details are available. Inside the provider listing, you'll discover a carefully curated set of hearing care professionals, clinics, and specialists. Each listing provides important details such as services offered, clinic locations, and ways to contact the provider. Whether you need a full hearing assessment, device fitting, or ongoing treatment, this tool is designed to point you in the right direction. One of the key advantages is its simplicity. Everything is laid out in a way that makes sense. No technical jargon or confusing steps. The listing is built for everyday users who want quick, dependable answers. Another great feature is that the provider listing is updated regularly. That means you'll always have access to the most recent information, ensuring your choices are based on the latest available resources. To recap, just go to the Dr. Patterson Audiology website, tap on Provider Listing, and explore the professional options available. It's the fastest way to connect with trusted hearing care experts. That's your guide to using the Provider Listing by Dr. Patterson Audiology. Simple, reliable, and built to support your hearing health.